So here we go, crap to cream. This is one of these videos that is either going to be a success or a failure, one or the other. So this is fitting the bottom seal to the windscreen. So I've cleaned the groove where it goes. I've put it against the shelf on the shed so that I can get quite a bit of push. I've taken one end of the frame off so it's easy to feed the rubber seal in. And I've now been soaking the rubber seal in hot water for a while. So now I will take it out and I will fit it. As I say, this is either going to be a raging success or a bit of a failure. So unfortunately the light isn't too good at this end of the shed. So this is how I do it. Everything becomes rather slippery. Sometimes you have to go back to go forwards. Stop there for a bit of a regroup. So okay. Sorry, I'm not talking much, but there's a lot of focus goes into this. So that is it. And that's it. So the rubber is now at the end of the slot. So all I have to do now is pull out about 2 or 3 inches here and then slide the end of the frame in. It is so much easier without the end of this frame in. I hope that's actually a showing video. So the first time when I was pushing, this lip came out, so I had to revisit that. So I put a bit more washing up liquid in there and just had another go, and there you go, windscreen seal done. Yeehaw. So yeah, I don't think there's any more to say about that really. That's how I do it, and it took as long as it took the video to be shown, so relatively quick, and didn't cost me like thousands and thousands of dollars that I was quoted for somebody who wanted to do it. Alright, so there you go. Crap to cream, subscribe, like, beautiful. Okay, thank you very much indeed for watching and subscribing if you did, and I hope you got something out of it. Thank you, bye for now.